this all unfolded. Switching gears here now, it's a chilly, windy day, and now it's time to get those coats out. Wes Wyatt here now with what we can all expect coming up in the week.
Yeah, just a couple days ago, we're flipping on the AC. Now it's back to wintertime around here. Temperatures in the 30s already. These are the current conditions. We're showing 35 here in Fayette, 37 in Coleman, Gadsden 36 here in Anniston. We're showing 37, even Clay County dipping into the 30s at this hour. And Coleman County, a good chance tonight. We are going to drop into the freezing range, and wouldn't surprise me to see some 20s on the map there early in the day tomorrow. One thing's for certain, it's going to feel like 20s. The wind chills still a factor tonight. The wind speeds have backed off quite a bit from earlier tonight, but there will be enough of a breeze, I think, after midnight and through about 6 a.m. that the feels like conditions heading down into the 20s when we check out the wind chill. So bundle up early in the day. Just want to give you that first alert. Actual air temperature, here's what you need to know. 29 in Center, maybe a little colder in some spots here, maybe around Susan Moore and back in here around Altoona. That temperature getting into the 20-degree range perhaps early on. Samantha outside of Tuscaloosa, perhaps there around Holt. Those temperatures dipping into the freezing range early on, but a cold start. But you know how it's been around here lately. That pattern, very active pattern, is still in place. We're going to be talking about some more warm weather back in here next week, even a chance for rain and storms again. I'll have more on that in your first alert forecast coming up.
And now, your first alert weather with WBRC Fox 6 meteorologist Wes Wyatt.
Check out the falls there at Lake Katoma. That's in Coleman County. Sean Jones sharing that picture on my Twitter feed there at Wes Wyatt Weather. A lot of pictures coming in today after all that heavy rain that we've had around here lately. And a beautiful pic out around Nakalula Falls. Lynn Burrell sharing that image there. A cold and windy day. A lot of folks checking in with me there on Twitter and Facebook to report those windy conditions gusting over 30 miles per hour. But the winds finally settled down in a lot of spots out there, showing 34 in Gadsden, 36 here in Anniston. In Birmingham at 36 degrees, in Fayette right now checking in with a temperature right at 34 degrees. We'll check to the south here. Some areas in Hale County around Millwood and Akron, actually around Greensboro there, showing 39 degrees. New Bern also in the 30s, but we're starting to feel those 30s here in areas to the south into Chilton, Coosa County. You can see Shelby County there, Alabaster checking in right now at 39 degrees. It's going to be a cold one to start the day. Still enough of a wind speed to push those wind chills or drop those wind chills down to into the 20s there early on. You can see what it's going to feel like when you head out the door there around 6 to 7 o'clock in the morning. But we will have some improvements as we go into the afternoon. Some snow not far away into the Smokies there, heading into the Carolinas tonight. The clouds finally breaking away across the state, the sky clearing out. So the wind speed settle down, and we're talking about freezing temperatures there to start the day tomorrow. Right around the freezing mark, or even a little lower here. Some areas to the north, especially the way these temperatures are dropping off tonight. We'll probably see a few more 20s there on the map to start the day. But we're heading into the mid-50s, and I can promise you a much calmer day tomorrow afternoon. If you want to get out there and pack up those Christmas lights, we're looking pretty good there. Lots of sunshine later on in the day. And tomorrow night, it won't be quite as cold. Watch this temperature here as we work through this 24-hour forecast. Stop it right there, 6 o'clock Monday morning, and you can see some upper 30s and low 40s. Still jacket weather, but certainly not as cold as what we're expecting to start Sunday. And then we get to Monday night. Notice here how the clouds start to increase late in the day Monday. There will be another cold front moving our way, but this is a very moisture-starved system. I've been looking at this, and the model data today has really backed off on the amount of precipitation. So as far as something that could actually add to the flood issues that we've had around here, we do have some river flooding that's going on. We're going to be talking about low rain chances here for Monday night, just mostly a few passing showers, and it looks like that system will kind of ramp up once it gets a little bit further to the east. But what this will do is bring a reinforcing shot of colder air. So once we get into the day on Tuesday, the sunshine returns, but it will be noticeably cooler and breezy. So plan on that there during the day Tuesday, but it will be dry. And then once we get into Wednesday, it will be dry. So we're kind of in this pattern here. Rain, couple days of dry weather, and then we're talking about another rainmaker. Well, that's going to be the story next week. Watch once we get into the January 10th, 11th time frame here next weekend, Friday, another system that's going to bring a more significant rain chance. So I want to give you the first alert there for some rain, possibly some stormy weather. So we do need to watch this and stay weather alert over the next few days as we fine-tune the forecast. We could see some things come together that may bring more of a risk for possibly a few stronger thunderstorms. So we will keep you posted as we fine-tune that forecast. In the meantime, well, it is back to winter. Early tomorrow. Again, lows right around the freezing mark. We'll head over to our first alert 7-day forecast, and you'll see here for Sunday by 7 o'clock I've got 36 degrees, but again, keep in mind we will start off right around freezing, heading into the 50s during the afternoon. And on your 7-day forecast, that brief chance for a few showers Monday night and into Tuesday. Then it's sunglasses weather there for Wednesday and Thursday, and then we're talking about breaking out that umbrella again. Good chance of rain for Friday into Saturday, so a chance we will be talking about some rain and stormy weather to start off next weekend.
All right, thanks, Wes.